A dose of love from the trees with Issac here. Creation is at your fingertips in every moment of every day, of every hour and minute. You are alive on the planet. So create with your hands. Create with your mind, body, and spirit. But most of all, creation begins within the heart as it knows and inserts all aspects of the self into whatever it is you are creating. This could be a conversation. This too is creation. You are creating the mood. You are creating the energy. You are creating the energetic exchange with another. And have and hold a part of this energy. Creation then becomes a co-creation with the other in a conversation. So what are you offering to others when you speak? Are you offering passion? Are you offering love? Are you offering spirits and laughter? Ask your heart to insert itself inside the energetic frequency of exchange with another. And you will find a heightened state of awareness exists within you. And this frequency you are always in control with.